Today we are going to weave a simple hairstyle. First, divide the hair into upper and the top half of the hair is cross up. Send the bottom head up. Clamp with a grab clip. Wrap the hair around the grab clip. Go around again. Clip in the broken hair part too. Then get your hair done. The two strands of hair on the keep crossing. Cross all the way to the bottom. You knit it. Put it on top. Go around again. Clamp with clip. This way the hair is completely fixed. Little bit of tidying up. Now let's do the second hairstyle. You start by parting a strand of hair from the top. Split this strand of hair into, then cross and tie a knot. Then take another strand of hair from the left and right, fuse it in. Continue to become two strands of tie another knot. Repeat the steps just now. Tie another knot, pull it tighter. Then tie all the hairs at the bottom together. Continue to tie a knot. Tie your hair with a rubber band. The broken hair at the bottom is tucked in from the bottom. Please tidy up the braided hair below. It looks like a beautiful braid. Let's go to the third hairstyle. Strand of hair is taken from the top. Tie it up with a rubber band. Pull a hole in the middle, then curl your hair again. Put your fingers in this hole. Bottom hair. It up and go through this hole. Tighten your hair. Braided hair and bottom hair. There will be a hole in the middle. After the hair at the bottom, stuffed through this hole. Fix the hair with clips. Put on a few more clips to hold the hair completely in place. There is a little broken, hide it too. It's just a simple hairstyle. To weave the next hairstyle, tie your hair into a ponytail first. Clamp the bottom of the ponytail with a grab clip. Insert this hairpin into the rubber band. Then put it in. The ponytail will become very inflated. Pull the rubber band at the bottom. The ponytail goes through the middle of the rubber band. Pull it up. And then sort it out. Tuck all the broken hair in and hide it. It is a very simple disc hair. Hurry up and try it out.